Introduce our flexible tooling self-centering vise RHS FV99, designed for flexible tooling and irregular shapes. The centering vise is made up of two pieces of flexible tooling fixtures with pin-loaded jaws. To use it, simply place your irregularly shaped part between the pins and turn each handle. Now you can see how the pins take the shape of the part. You can clamp irregularly shaped parts without the need to machine an aluminum piece on both sides for a nest. This magnificent tool securely holds the part in place, preventing any movement. It is the perfect solution for handling 8 regular shaped parts. Simply adjust the handles and the pins will release effortlessly. For instance, some may use it for CMM applications where they place regular parts on the machine, and it moves back and forth to conduct quality checks. Others may use it solely for work holding, such as with these jaws, but every time. We also offer it with configuration with upward-facing pins that allow people to mount their parts on top, creating a flexible nest that adapts to the shape of the part. The machine's dimensions are 350 mm for 150 mm for 162 mm. There are approximately 226 pins, each with a diameter of 5 mm. You won't come across a more versatile and valuable product in the market. It's an excellent choice. High-quality steel. Max loading weight 250 kilograms pressure, and 1-year warranty. Please visit our website at www.rapidholdingsystems.com and subscribe on our channel.